Rick and Morty season 6. Yes, ignore all the boxes and empty things behind me. I'm moving, as mentioned in a previous video. Rick and Morty season 6. Yay! We're done talking about Rick and Morty. Don't get me wrong, I really like watching Rick and Morty, but at a certain point, I forgot how much I love and kind of dislike this show. Where I do really love the show, right? But watching this much of it is kind of insufferable because every character is mean and kind of messed up and fucked up, right? And so when you watch as much of this show as I did in such a short amount of time, it can be kind of mean. But I'm glad I watched this season. This is the best out of all the modern seasons of the show, at least the last 3. And that's because there's actually multiple episodes here I really like. The one with the dinosaurs, the one with the night people, and the opening of this season. I feel like at this point what had happened with this show is basically the show had gotten renewed for more episodes than it ever had been renewed before. One of the biggest pickups in animation and just TV history when it comes to renewing a new show, because Rick and Morty is just that popular, right? And so it felt like the creators of the show go, all right, so we have this huge pickup of episodes. It's time that we change up the show. Not enough that it's a different show, but they start changing character dynamics, start hinting at new things, that this show now has so much more to explore. And that's what makes this a really good season, right? Season 5 kind of started that a little bit, but season 6 furthered all that. You know, we really have so much to explore with Rick Prime and all these different things going on and all these different ideas. We still don't know what's beyond the rift and all these different things that Rick and Morty has set up for us. But it's all going to be one hell of an awesome next few seasons with this show, I suspect, provided that they don't take steps backwards with this, as Rick and Morty sometimes tends to do. I don't think they will. I think they genuinely are taking a good approach to it, where the writers are making the episodes they want to make while giving us the episodes that we want as fans, and that's really cool. So Rick and Morty season 6 is one of my favorite of all the seasons of the show. I think if I were to do a ranking, 2 would be number 1, 6 would probably be number 2, and then 3 would be number 3. Kind of ironic. Season 1 would be number 4, and then number 5 would be season 5, and then 5 would be, or sorry, 6 would be season 4. Season 4 is my least favorite season of the show. But yeah, great time watching the show. Let me know your thoughts.